nipples are soldered off.
I can't feel my nipples. They're sawed off. They're gone. The hair.
Vámonos!
Should I?
Just roll. This is me rolling. They be hating. They're
Should I?
trolling.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Alright. No, I'm not. I can't. I'm scared. I'm scared I'm gonna break my
Then
neck.
roll sideways.
I can't fit! I feel like a slug! Oh shit, no! 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 Oh.
That was good.
Oh, that caused a minor injury.
Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of go for it.
Okay. Just roll sideways.